In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wavy line in Affinity Designer. First, open up a canvas. Then next in the left panel, grab the pen tool. And with this tool, you can start creating a wave. And to do that, first we're going to create a simple curve. So inside your canvas, click anywhere. Then with this starting point, once again, click on an endpoint on where you want your curve to end. So say for example, we're gonna click in this area. So after you click, make sure that you drag until you form a specific curve. And once done, release your mouse. And now that we have our simple curve, we can actually use this to form a wave line. And to do that, in the left panel, click on the Move tool. And here you can actually just copy and paste this curved line by pressing Ctrl plus C in your keyboard, or right click in this object and copy it, then paste it. Now move the duplicated curved shape or line and reposition it until you achieve the wavy line that you like. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!